Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about the important topic which was the basis of the last video. In the last video we have discussed about what are the different reasons that makes customer frustrated. So customer frustration was the origin and we can't allow that frustration to stay for long. So today we are going to discuss about how we are going to address those frustrations by taking effective action against those complaints. Key to customer complaint resolution. This is the topic. My name is Suresh Shetty. I am a business transformation coach. I am also Amazon bestseller author, and here very important aspects for the viewers, especially those who are business leaders, business owners and startup leaders. For them, we should understand very importantly that customer complaint is the major barrier for your business growth. So no organization, no business can ever afford to keep the customer complaints unresolved, because that will have boomerang effect on your business prospects, and the dissatisfied customers, as we have seen in the last video, they will ensure that your upcoming new the customers will run away, because their negative feedback will really spoil your personal brand and your organizational brand, your corporate brand in the market. So let's focus on these particular aspects. Before that, please go forward and put up your comments in the comment box. At the same time, also ensure that our YouTube channel is being subscribed. Please give your suggestions, what topics you are looking forward, so that will help us to understand the specific requirement of our viewers, and then we'll customize and we'll come forward with those topics being presented in the next videos. Thank you for your support. Let's come back. Here, the first and foremost significant key to customer complaint resolution is you have to listen to the customers. So therefore, what is mentioned here? Listen, listen, listen. Listen 100 times. Give him patient listening. Whenever complainant, being a customer, is very angry with you or with your products, okay, make sure first allow him to express himself. Whatever the anger that he is having in his mind, let him throw the anger and first listen. Don't interrupt him, and when he gives you opportunity to listen to him, you have to make very clear that you listen patiently. Don't disturb him. Note down his point, concern, and first tender apology, saying that I am really sorry that you are into inconvenience, but we'll take care of that. Right? So this is important aspect. Now second aspect, you have to be authentic. In the sense, you have to express your genuineness. Let customers see that you are interested, you are passionate to address, to resolve his complaint. And once that is over, that will help you to give very positive, the message to the customer, and he will calm down. And third important aspect, that whatever you are listening, make sure that you forward to respective customer care sale or department or customer management team and see that it is being totally resolved. Please take up the responsibility, because customer resolution is important aspect, and make sure that your concerned department reports to you, and in turn your department communicate back to the customer and with the letter of apology. That will really complete the circle and your customer will be very happy. And last but not least is never forget to send a letter of tendering the apology, because inconvenience is regretted. When you express that the inconvenience caused to your customer is being felt bad by you and your team, at least that will be the sound message that here there is a sensitivity on the part of my supplier, who is at least feel that he felt bad, and half the anger will really wipe it off. So therefore, make it a point, all these 4 points which are being presented here are being taken care of, and see to it that you take care of your customer with respect, and honor him, honor his complaints, concerns, grievances, and make sure that you give due weightage to see that you also end up creating a customer delight. because this is a unique experience which you can give it to your customer. With this, we take a pause here, and I would like to once again request you, please make your comments in the comment box about the video contents, how you like it, and make sure that you subscribe to the video. At the same time, if you are looking forward to take care of your customer resolutions by systematic approach with a strategic approach, we are happy to help you out. What you need to do, go to the description, click and fill up the Google form. Once we receive the form, we will assure you that half an hour, 30 minutes free discovery call will be offered to you, and that will really help you to share your concern, your business pain areas, and will be most happy to come out with the proper solution proposal. Till then, bye. Thank you.